So
my husband actually recorded the shop with me. He got some pretty good shots, I think. And oh, I didn't even put lipstick on. We're off to a great start. So my husband actually recorded the shop with me, so I hope you guys don't mind the silliness that was kind of added to the video. I wanted to sit down and show you guys what I got from the semi-annual sale. I actually wasn't planning to even go to the sale. I didn't even know that the sale was going on. But when we went to the mall, I was like, hey, like, what are all those signs? Let's go check it out. So yeah, this shopping trip was definitely not planned at all, but I'm kind of glad I did because I scored some really good deals. I feel like I don't think anything that I got was more than $4. Crazy each. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm not gonna ramble on too much because when I watch these types of videos, I want to tell the person that's recording the video, like, hey, just show me what you got, tell me a little bit of what it smells like, and that's it. Like, move on to the next product, because I'm just so excited with hauls. I'm just so excited to see what people got. But before we get started, really quickly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week. Turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every single time that I upload a new video. And also, I'm always replying to comments at all times when I get the chance, so just saying, you should leave me a comment. Ooh. Okay, these are heavy. Here's the receipt. By the time I post this video, I think the sale ends at the end of this week. So if you can get your hands on some of these goodies, I think you really should. Yeah, I got some really good deals. And you guys, I go on my little shopping sprees at Bath & Body Works way too often, like more often than I should. So I know this would have been really pricey had it not been for these prices. So I paid $5.50 for this little plug-in right here. I like the nightlight versions because who likes to walk around in the dark? Not me. I got 2 body lotions. This one in the scent Sky. Wait, what's the name of it? Violet Lily or Sky? Either way, they're both infused with shea butter and vitamin E. I don't think these are worth $12.50. I definitely think they're a good deal because they are really good. They're really moisturizing. It's just they're not worth $12.50. This one just smells really light and airy. Oh my gosh, it smells heavenly. I just want to put it on right now, but I know if I start doing that, I'm gonna do that with everything in here. This one smells good. I don't think it smells as good as this one. I'm not sure why I picked this one up, but I mean, it doesn't smell bad. Green pear, fresh gardenia. I picked it up because of the gardenia. I could heavily smell the gardenia, I think, in the store. And I love the scent of gardenia. These are originally $6.50, so I got them for 50% off, I believe. So they were $3.50. I got the scent Tuscan Herb Garden. I can't tell you what this smells like because they didn't even have a sample there, but I think I got it mainly for the kitchen, and that's why I got the wallflower plug-in as well as for the kitchen. Then I got Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. I do remember smelling this one, and it smelled really good. And then White Tea and Sage. Anything herby I really like, so I'm really glad I got this one. And then Villa Bergamot. This one's one of George's pick. And now for the bigger bag. I don't think I've ever seen this super cute packaging at Bath & Body Works before, and when I saw it, I was like, I have to find something that smells really good with this packaging. So I got Island White Sand, and this one just smells like summer. That coconutty smell, oh, this smells delicious. So that's that one. Oh, that's too much. So it's just a little bit thicker, and for nighttime I find that I like applying a thicker body cream. I like applying, I'm sorry, I keep looking over here at my camera. I don't know what's going on with it. It's just doesn't want to focus lately. Opposed to this one. This one absorbs really fast into the skin. It's really great for daytime. Look at me over here doing lotion swatches. Like, who am I? And then I just got the fragrance mist to go along with it. So then with the same packaging, yeah, I found this one that smelled really good. Oh, this smells so good, you guys. No, this actually smells so bomb. Like, can I take a shower again? I feel like I need to. This one's called Fresh Sea Salt Mango. How cute is that packaging? Along with the fragrance mist, I think they were sold out of the matching lotion of the lotion that goes with it. Like I said, before bed, I like to lather myself up. I got a 24-hour moisture ultra shea body cream, ultra shea body cream, and this is in the shade, no, this is in the scent On the Waves. Clear blue waters, sparkling mandarin, water lily, and ocean driftwoods. This was the first one that I fell in love with, which I currently can't smell because I have coconut all over my hands. I can't smell it, but I'm pretty sure this smells good because this is the first thing I grabbed and I loved it. I don't like sweet scents for home or for my body. I don't like it. So this one, oh my goodness. This is brown sugar and fig, and it's another 24-hour moisture ultra shea body cream. I can smell the brown sugar, but it's not overbearing. Like it doesn't overpower the fig, and it just smells so good. I feel like this for fall would be so amazing. I'm obviously a couple of months early, but I would totally wear this right now. And then for the last, oh sweet baby Jesus, I was able to find the matching lotion. I cannot believe this. You guys, I feel like it's Christmas time and someone just gave me the best Christmas gift. I swear this was Santa Claus. Santa Claus put this in my bag because I swear I could not find this unless George found it. But I could not find this. That's why I got the shower gel, and that's why I got the mist, because I could not find this. Now I feel like I have to go back for the shower gel in this. I kind of want to. The fresh sea salt mango. This is my new favorite scent. I swear I will be wearing this all of summer. And then last but not least, I did get some soap. Let me put some of this stuff away because it's getting to be a little much. Okay, so then Georgie Porgy Puddin' Pie pointed this out to me. How sweet and cute is this packaging? And my dream is to go to Paris. I swear George knows the way to my heart. And I am so obsessed with rose water lately. So I didn't even smell it at the store, and I was like, let me have it, George. Oh, this smells so good. No, yo. This is in the scent Rose Water and Ivy, and I'm glad I got two. This smells so good, and the packaging is just adorable. And then I got in the same little sticker ranges, I got the London, which smells like white tea and sage. Oh, I'm putting this in the kitchen. This is where this is going. And then the California, which smells like Endless Weekend. My co-teacher actually, that smells different. This smells like Fabuloso. Cute. This does not smell like Endless Weekend. My co-teacher got me an Endless Weekend scent, like the gel, the shower gel, the body lotion, the spray, everything. And it does not smell like this. It still smells good, but that's not what Endless Weekend, that's not what I remember it smelling like. So yeah, that was it for everything that I got from the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. It was a really good sale. I know I'm gonna go scoop some other things up for sure, and I'll just show you guys in the vlog. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this cute, quick little video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the comments. Bye. And ooh. Yo, did I really save $115 or would it have been $150? Because girl, that's a discount. That is a discount.